Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafter, today we're going to be unboxing the Love from Lizi April 2022 card kit. Inside the goodies all come in an A4 Ziploc bag just to keep everything dry. We're going to start with the cardstock. We get 5 sheets. We get a lovely blush pink. We get this green, a white alcohol marker friendly cardstock, as well as this orange or tangerine color, and then a lovely sky blue. These are 8.5 by 11 and they're an American size cardstock. We get a 12 by 12 sheet and it's a cut apart sheet. The back has this lovely pattern paper, and then on the other side you have these cut aparts, and this will give you a peek into the rest of the kit. The girl power is the running theme with these lovely colors, as well as there's going to be some holographic going on. So that's the 12 by 12 sheets that's been cut down. The pattern paper here is the only pattern paper in the kit. We do get other cardstock, but that's the only paper that we'll get in the kit. Next we get these stickers. It's actually a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I was struggling to open it there. And this has got all the colors and the holographic on them. There's some great sentiments in here, some great images with lovely ladies and clothing and peace signs, and there's just so much on this sticker sheet for us to embellish our cards. So we get that. We will also be getting this really fab stamp set. So we have a great big stamp, which is this one here. All the hearts is one stamp. It fits onto a 4.25 by 5.5 card, as well as some lovely sentiments. So we have real queens, fix each other's crowns, strong is the new pretty, love yourself, put your hair up in a bun, drink some coffee and handle it. Real girls are never perfect and perfect girls are never real. Be fearless and stronger together. Those are the sentiments that come, as well as some of those little hearts as well. Okay, so next we have 2 lovely frames, and these are holographic. We can use these for doing shaker cards or anything like that. We have some peel-offs. These are the pinstripe peel-offs. They come in 3 different widths. They're a fabulous blue color and they're lovely and shiny. We also get a pack of holographic Scrabble letters, or tiles as they're known as, and these are so cool for making up sentiments or people's names, whatever you like with those, but so cool. We get a couple of ribbons as well, and we get them in these lovely colors, and they're lovely and thin for making a bow, and they're good for making a bow. Lizi also has brought out this cardstock. It's called Linen Rainbow, and this is a 6 by 6 pack that we get. It's acid free and it's a heavyweight 300 GSM cardstock. So it comes, as it says, in a rainbow of colors: blues, greens, yellows, browns, oranges and purples, and a lovely pink in there as well. There's a great selection, and there are 12 single-sided sheets of this patterned heavy cardstock. This is going to be a really handy pack to have in the stash, and it'll be great that we'll be able to go to the website and buy more of this if we want. And I think it'll go really well with holographic as well as with our peel-offs. Okay, so next in the box we get our usual little sample bag of sequins, and it's a lovely color match to the kit. We also get this long piece. It's nearly like a bracelet. It's these lovely little gems on them, and you can cut them into lengths and you can stick them down. We also get these 5 little stars. Again, there's no adhesive on these either, so you can stick them down with whatever you have in your crafty stash. We get 3 dies as well, and these dies are so cool. We get, first of all, fab, we get yay, and we get cool, and these will die cut out the letters, so you could do some paper piecing with those. We get a big bag of ephemera, and the icons are all similar to what we have in our sticker sheet and our cut apart sheet. We get loads of really cool ephemera pieces, different words and sentiments and flowers and pieces of clothing and hearts. There's just so much really cool ephemera pieces in this pack. So that's all the products that come in the kit. That's the April 2022 kit. There are loads of add-ons that you can get to go with this kit, and I'll leave links down below in the description. I have some add-ons that came in my box and I'd like to share those with you. We get this 2-pack of foiled stickers. They're so cool, and they're gold outlines on these. They're really cool. I love them. There's 3 packs of peel-offs. This is the new pink that Lizi is introducing, and these are all pinstripes with the 3 different widths. We've also got this holographic pack. I just love holographic. I think it's so cool. And then the 3rd pack, we have a different mix. So we have a straight peel-off, we have the hearts, we have then the wavy lines, and then we have the circles. And the hearts and these circles, they come in 3 different sizes, small, medium and large, and they're great for embellishing a card. There's also a paper pad to go with the products that came in this kit, and I love the different papers in this pack. They all match up really well. So if you want to add a nice paper pad to the kit and your shipping is free for any extras that you put into your box, I would definitely recommend this paper pad. It's lovely. So that's everything I have. Keep an eye on the space because I will be making my 10 cards now using all these products that I have got. So I hope you'll come back on Sunday and watch this. So here's some images of the card kit and the products that come in the card kit. Until Sunday, take care and bye for now.